Dito. Ano lalagay dito?
May pala yun eh. May.
Baby Eve together with Mommy Daisy and Daddy Eman and everybody sing.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
One more time.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Mommy and Daddy, Mommy Daisy and Daddy Eman, before we start this wonderful and amazing dedication and birthday celebration.
So nakikita niyo po yung 3 generations, no? Ng lola. Salamat po sa blessing na ibinigay mo sa pamilya nito, sa Tamora and the Rosario family, for a precious gift coming from you. Si Ethan here ay tunay nga Lord God na galing po sa inyo at ibigay mo sa kanyang pamilya. Ikaw, i-provoke ang inyong mga anak sa galing. But instead, bring them up in the training and instructions of
Alcohol, aray mo. Okay, yes kuya. Kapag daw po nakasulat maligo agad, yes po.
Cotton bud.
Cotton buds, correct. And this time, kakanta po tayo ng mas malakas yung My Mind's Energy. In 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yung mas malakas. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay, bago na naman i-blow out candle ni Ethan Eve, hindi naman kami papayag na hindi namin maririnig ang inyong munting wish. Secure, sabay-sabay po natin siyang babatiin ng Happy Birthday Eve! In 3, 2, 1!
Happy birthday.
Give me the blow her candle! There you go! Pagpapalawag po natin ang ating celebrate na ang PBS together with Mommy Daisy and Daddy Eman. And then that's
Yari ka sa akin mo. Umira mo.
Tingnan sinadiyahan ko po si Mommy Daisy and si Daddy Eman together with our birthday celebrant to please come here in front kasama ang ating dessert and mascot. And to all our kids, excuse na lang po muna. And for safety purposes, bawal po nating silipin, suntukin, hampasin si Kuya Grimace. Ay baka pag natumba siya, nako, hindi na siya makatulog. Okay, family picture na lang po muna. Okay, Kuya Grimace, lapit po ikaw kay Mommy and Daddy. Okay, ready? Look at the camera. Backward po po tayo. Backward. Nakatingin lang si Okay, ready? Look at the camera. Hi, Eve. Look here. Eve. Hi. Hi, Eve. Look here. Hi. Smile.
bulat ng mata, gising sa umat.
Ginong pogi-pogi ko na mata. Nakaputing sombrero po.
Ano sa'yo?
Ay, kain ka na naman. Ang ganda-ganda.
Di ma'am, ikaw. Ma'am, forward ka man. Okay? Okay? 1, 2.
Grace Eve in a count of 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3! And on behalf of the Lord's Maker Group, we would like to thank you for choosing us to celebrate.
Okay na natin pag dito pumunta mamaya. Eh, gusto sa buhay natin ha. Yan, yan. Yan. Narinig nyo may plano po pag dito pumunta mamaya.
Wait lang, mag-iwan row niya ako. Airport. Ay. Okay, okay.
Ay,